Hello, Skin Games. We are officially done with our open category. So for the open category, we have spent the last 8 weeks focusing on hair restoration and was suffering from really having a thinning across the front, along the sides, and down back behind the ear. The case study that we have put together, we really wanted to focus on scalp health. As noted in the initial intake with Anne, she was suffering from some flaking, itching, and she had seen multiple practitioners, been through multiple medications for that. So we really wanted to focus on getting that skin barrier repaired so that way it could properly support all the new hairs that we were trying to stimulate. The synergistic effects of the growth factors, peptides, and the mechanical stimulation that we did all work to help enhance those natural occurring growth factors and improve the scalp health. So, and since we were focusing on the scalp health, how is like the itching and flaking that you were experiencing before?
It's gone. It was bad. I was very uncomfortable.
Okay.
And
so have you had any of that going through the series or anything?
I have what I feel like now is a healthy scalp.
Okay, perfect.
Definitely. I see a difference in the flaking, the itching, the thickness of my hair, everything. Less shedding. It's been great.
So through the entire study, we also did incorporate internals, and this was more to help with the stress response. And then we incorporated maca root to help with the adaptogenics. So that helps with kind of preventing those peaks and valleys and that just natural hormone cycle that a woman goes through, as well as helping to limit her cortisol production. So again, keeping that body out of that fight or flight so we can have the best cell function and preventing the body from not being able to accept all the wonderful growth factors and all the extra stimulation that we had. So we look forward to seeing you in Dallas.